Okay, we're gonna do a room tour of the Shade, Manhattan Beach, California. I believe it's like a standard king with a view. I wanted to kind of make it a little dark in here because when you first come in this room, it's dramatic light above this gigantic tub. Really draws your attention when you first walk in. Those lights change color and whatnot, but there's kind of a view if you get here kind of in the darker hours. I'm gonna turn some lights on now. So, room's pretty spacious. I mean, it's laid out pretty good. Plenty of room for a good night's stay. Bar area. Little chair lounge. I'm not sure what this does. I'm assuming it lights up or whatever. I hit a switch, it started making some noise, but never really did anything. Sorry about the bed, slept in that last night. Pretty comfortable. They give you waters, and this is an interesting, don't see this very often, but it slides in and out. So you've got yourself a little kind of table. If you have breakfast in bed, you can scoot it all the way up and have breakfast in bed. Again, and then all those lights are controlled. Right here, you can change colors with those LEDs and whatnot. Yeah. Single sink. Huge tub. We got a walk-in shower. The door, much better preferred than the curtains. Toilet. And back to the entryway. Put your luggage over here. Oh, this is a closet. Got a safe down there, which is nice. Yeah, and then let's get to the view. So, if you haven't been to Manhattan Beach, I highly recommend it. It's a pretty cool little spot. It's got a balcony, which is fantastic. There you go. Tough to see, but the ocean is right down there. Very short walk, 5-minute walk to the beach. That beach is very, very happening. If you haven't been to Manhattan Beach before, very happening. Lots of activity out there. Great hotel, great vibe. Lobby's awesome. Good food, good service. For the price, I think it's fantastic. Again, there's your room. There's the view. Like and subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Appreciate it. It helps the channel out. Until next time.